Hi folks, today I want to help you solve a problem that has driven me nuts for half a day until I figured it out. So yesterday or the day before, against my better judgment, I upgraded to Windows 11 and of course all the nightmares that go with that. But you can overcome most of them, but one that I had a hurdle with is as follows. So I'm a trainer and I deliver training online via Zoom. And when I do deliver training online via Zoom, I want to be able to toggle between the various windows so that I can show my participants something on PowerPoint perhaps, or something on the internet, or something on my phone. On Windows 10, what you did was you used the Smart View function on your phone with the Connect app on your Windows 10, and then you were able to toggle happily between the different windows while you were delivering your training. So you could share screen on Zoom, and you could toggle Alt and the tab button between, as I say, your PowerPoint, your internet, or whatever was on your phone screen. But tragically, there's no such thing as the Connect app on your Windows 11. There's a thing called wireless display. So this causes or has caused me certainly an issue where when I use the Smart View on my phone along with the Windows display function in Windows 11, my cursor would disappear off the screen and the Alt plus Tab toggle mechanism doesn't work anymore. So what's the solution? Here it is. So first of all, log into Zoom and start your meeting in Zoom. Now, don't be confused about the fact that you're looking at a still image of me on the screen. Now, that's because I'm using my camera here to create this video, and my camera can't create my video and use Zoom at the same time. So normally you would be looking at yourself there and your meeting. So launch your Zoom meeting first. Okay, so the second step then is to go into your phone as you always did in Windows 10 land and launch Smart View. So I'm on a Samsung Android. Your phone may have a different term. It might call it mirroring, it might call it casting. On my Samsung A53, it's called Smart View. So I launch Smart View on my phone, which recognizes my laptop, of course, because I've done this 1,000 times before. So tap on Laptop and tap on Start Now. And up on my laptop comes wireless display, allow once. By the way, in Windows 11, if you change that allow once to allow always, it doesn't retain that at all. So, okay. Now, here's where the fun starts, okay? So now we are indeed mirroring, casting, smart viewing our mobile phone onto our laptop as we would like to do. But if I move that cursor, it's going to disappear. So it has disappeared. And if I go Alt Tab, as I would expect to do, all it's going to do is it's actually going to toggle between the different screens within my mobile phone rather than on my laptop, which is what I needed to do. Right? So that doesn't work. So what we need to do next is we need to go Alt F11. Alt F11. And that reduces the view of my mobile phone from being full screen to being less than full screen, so I can see my tray at the bottom. Okay, so now I can see my tray at the bottom, and now I can go Alt and Tab as before. Okay, so back into my Zoom, share screen, tap, and now I can toggle between the various things that I want to show. I want to show them Instagram on my mobile phone or whatever, or I want to show them something on my internet, or I want to show them a PowerPoint or whatever. Back in my Zoom training workshop, I can hit the stop share and continue back on, right? Again, as I say, imagine that myself and my participants are actually all here on video. Okay, I hope that helped you. It is complex. Not everything by any means that is a so-called update in Windows land is actually an update. Quite often it's a backward step. Okay, hope you found this helpful. Talk to you again. Bye-bye.